Some people are inclined to jump. There's a couple of places where people that are braver than me can jump from. I'm just going to hang on a second and see if this guy is actually going to jump. Clearly thinking about it. You know, I can't blame him if he decides not to do it. I have seen people jump from there. Bear in mind, ambulance man has got to get down almost steps to get to you. But it's doable. I've seen lots of people do it. I don't blame him for thinking about it a little bit. I'm not going to spend too much time waiting for him to jump. Looks to me like he's more likely to... Oh, yeah, maybe he's going to do it. Maybe he's going to do it. Okay, a little bit more about the pool itself. You see at the bottom there? If you swim over there, you can actually get behind the swimming pool. And when I brought my kids down here the other day, that's exactly what I did. Brought them down and put them behind the water. And that's something that's, I think, is on a lot of people's bucket list, if you think about it, to actually sit or go behind the waterfall and into the air and look out through the water. It's a pretty special thing. Okay, we got, so yeah, you saw that maybe. The kids are jumping from the lower rocks, and I'm not going to wait all day for this guy to jump. Trust me, people do jump from there. Maybe he's going to go. Let's see. Maybe not. Come on, man. It's easy for me to say, get on with it, my friend. I'm just panning my shot down. Let's get ready for him. Come on, jump. I can't go all day. Do it. Don't think about it too much. The more you think about it, the less likely you are to do it. Getting some encouragement now from the crowd. I don't think he's done this before. I think you can hear the crowd giving him some encouragement. Here he goes. He's going to do it. Go. And he came up. Okay. Well done, mate.